We're gonna make a nurse's headband that has buttonholes to attach their face masks to. You start out by cutting out knit fabric, 10 inches on a fold. There's a fold right here, 10 inches by 7 inches wide. Make sure you cut it out so the direction of the stretch is the 10 inches, not the 7 inch, so it doesn't stretch very much this way. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your fabric and fold it the long ways. If you like to pin your fabric, you can do that. I don't pin my fabric very often. So you're going to start serging or sewing and stop about 3 inches into your tube. And you're going to start again. You're going to leave about 1.5 inches opening, and then you're going to start again. And serge the rest of the way. Now what you want to do is you want to go in through the inside of your tube and grab the right side, being careful not to twist it. Grab the seam right here and pull it through and match seam to seam of your tube. So you have kind of a half sock tube shape thing. Okay. Now we're going to very carefully stitch around the tube, being careful not to stitch the tube together, just the right sides together. So you need to hold it carefully in your serger or sewing machine, making sure to hold the other side back underneath it so it doesn't stitch over it. Very carefully turning, making sure you don't stitch the wrong side. I'm using woolly nylon thread in my serger because it works better for knit fabric. If you don't have that, try to make sure you have a ballpoint needle. Okay, so now you're just going to take it and fold it all out. Magic! Now you have a tube headband. You have a small opening right here from where you pulled it through. You can leave it if you want because knit doesn't fray, or you can stitch it just a little bit with a sewing machine. It's just a little 1.5 inches. Oh, I'm on my button setting. Sorry. Just stitch it shut. All right. So then the next step on this tube headband is to put the button on. And you're going to do this by getting the headband how you want it. I don't know how I want it. Okay. You're going to fold it so you have the seam right here. And you're going to take a ruler and 2 pins. And you're going to measure from the seam about 2.5 inches. Put a little pin in it. Do the same thing on the other side. 2.5 inches from the seam. Put a little pin in it. Oh, I pinned them together. Okay. Now you're going to open up the headband, and you're going to turn your sewing machine onto the button setting. Place the button where it goes. Test it. And sew your button on. Open this up. Go to where your other button spot is. Make sure it's flat so you don't sew your layers together. Test your button so you don't sew through your button. And there you have it. You have a tube headband with button holders on both sides so that the nurses can hold their masks.